What's up guys, Overdrive here. In this video we're going to be talking about Islamic Coin and HAQQ network. As usual, links are in description, but follow them at your own risk. This project has insane funding. I think the last number I saw was 400 million. Also they got tons of followers on Twitter, more than 1 million. Not so many people in Discord actually, I think it's less than 100k. Regarding the possible airdrop, it's been hinted multiple times by moderators on Discord, for example, that there will be an airdrop, but no concrete details has been given. Islamic Coin set to launch on September 1st already, so it's possible that even though there's gonna be an airdrop, we're kinda late to it, but on the flip side, these are only testnet activities and the whole thing probably take like 5 to 10 minutes to complete. For on-chain, we only have one mobile app and then connecting the MetaMask. In both cases, we will only be able to stake the coins, pretty much nothing else. Regarding campaign, first of all, we have campaign on Galaxy. Actually, the first thing that you need to do in this case is join the Discord. The first task here is to visit the HAQQ wallet download page and install it. I'm gonna show it here in my Android player, so we need to create account, then set the PIN code, and we successfully created it. Here you can also back up the account right away if you want. This will basically give you your seed phrase. Then we need to claim some tokens. What do you mean incorrect? Okay, I'll try to do that in my phone. Maybe there is some issues with the player regarding this captcha solving. Yeah, it worked fine on the phone. Same captcha. I don't know. Bam, we got 0.01 coin. Now we can go to Earn tab. We need to stake. Doesn't matter really where we're staking. Okay, delegate. Okay, delegation completed. And now we can get a ticket for the monthly raffle. Oh no, not this slider again. Come on. But again, on the phone it works fine and you can get a ticket. Now if we click on it, we can see the raffle details. Also odd because on my phone I can see one ticket. Here it says 0 tickets, maybe because it needs to be updated. I don't know. But we are basically done with this application. We can close it. Then we need to visit a bunch of pages here. Blog page, the website, and then the website of the network. There is also an ecosystem page for this network if you wanna do some browsing here. Okay, we should be able to verify it all and claim our role. So regarding the Discord, when you join and verify, you will be given the verified role and that's it. After we claim this role, this one should give us the role Islamic Coin Novice. We can actually check that right away. Let's drop a GM. Yeah, now I have Novice and I also have Guild Member. And the Guild Member is from Guild XYZ. And here you can also acquire another role. This one is ISLM Maxi. And as you can see, in order to get this one, you need to get the Novice role first. Also put 2 symbols in your Twitter username and put hashtag ISLM Maxi in your Twitter bio. So pretty simple. And now for the last task that is also on chain, for the testnet on HAQQ network, we can connect our MetaMask. And there is a button switch to chain 59144. And we also need to log in with GitHub. Then we can request some tokens. Okay, it's been like 5 minutes. I'll try to refresh. cannot get my tokens. It seems like for some reaon faucet doesn't work now, but in general, when it works and you get your tokens here, what you need to do, you need to go down to a staking app, connect your wallet here. Then you select the validator and you stake your tokens and you are done for now. So that's all I wanted to cover here. I don't know any other campaigns or any other activities that you can now do, but I'll definitely keep an eye on the project, especially if it is close to token launching. If you have any questions or maybe additional information regarding this project, be sure to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next time.